You could be making an extra $4,000 per month doing this one side hustle. People tend to overcomplicate making passive income, but it's actually really easy to start. We're going to be focusing on print on demand with Amazon, which is a quick and easy way to start making passive income. You guys are going to learn step by step how to make a book like this one right here. You guys see it says goals. So basically you're going to be an author, but you don't have to write anything in it. I think this is such a cool idea because for people who aren't that creative, like you still can do this passive income side hustle. So look, you guys see how they just have like basically the same template. See how they have on this side steps to accomplish my goal, and then this side they have accomplished by a certain time, but basically every single page is the same after that. You guys are going to learn how to do yours right now, and the beauty of this is you guys do not have to even spend upfront money. Basically we're going to be using BookBolt, and let's go ahead and dive into it. So the first step for you guys to get started is research. So BookBolt has a research tool which you guys will find right here. You see how it says research and then they have create. So we're going to do research, and you guys can see they say search by bestsellers top 100 category. So you want to decide, this is like when you're choosing what kind of book do you even want to make. So do you want to make a notebook, a journal, music sheets, calendar, planner, coloring book, activity, puzzle, comic, guest, log, tracker, sketchbook? So they have many options for you guys to make, but we are going to be focusing more on like a journal, which is something that I would be more passionate about making, like a journal or a notebook. But I would say journal. You know what I also really like is I like the idea of a planner as well, because I'm a business owner and we constantly need things like that, like we need planners. But I really like the idea of this book right here, the goals one. I like this concept a lot, so we're gonna see if we can kind of like mimic this concept right here. We're gonna go ahead and choose the category journal, and then we're gonna go ahead and do some keyword research. So what kind of journal do you want to make? Or if you're choosing planner, what kind of planner do you want to make? So me, I know that I'm usually in the business field, so I would probably just go for like looking up like a business journal kind of thing. Now look for business journal, and you guys just scroll down and you're gonna find some competitors right here. So as you guys can see, you guys see how like this is a gratitude journal right here. This one is, I don't know what kind of journal this is. Mother and son journal. Y'all, hold on, let me see. So they're charging $7.89. Okay. Whoa, y'all. Whoa. 733 estimated monthly sales. How much is this person making per month doing this? Like, hold on, y'all. I gotta do some math. Y'all know I love to do my math. And so basically $8 times, what was it? 733. You guys, $5,864 per month. And this is for a $7.89 product. Like, whoa, no way. Let's keep scrolling and see what else we can find. This one, 389 sales. You guys, these people are making some sales. So what we see here is that these are popular items. Very popular. People love to say that the market is saturated. You guys, the market is not saturated. What's happening is there's a lot of people putting content out there, right? There's a lot of people putting products out there, but are the products any good? Are the products as good as yours could be? Probably not. So you need to go ahead and have a different mindset of like, I can do this. These are so cool. Such cool journals. So it's also cool to like use this research tool to like look through and get some ideas. And like I already know what I want my journal to be about. I would want mine to be, like I said, about like business. But as you guys can see, these people are selling these things. This person's simply selling a logbook vehicle mileage journal for business or personal taxes. This is amazing. And guys, they sold 269 like estimated monthly sales. That's a lot of monthly sales on this thing. Okay, so anyways, we now have some ideas. You guys can also do some more research throughout here if you don't know like what you want to do. So within the research tool, what I'm seeing is you guys have tutorials. So BookBolt makes it easy for you guys to know how to navigate through here. And let's click products and see, search products. Okay, let's search this business journal on here just to see what they have. Oh, Millionaire in the Making Entrepreneur Journal for business idea, note taking. Yes, this is exactly like, I love this. This is something like kind of what I want to do. So this is a great tool for inspo. You also get to see like how people are pricing things. And like I said, very low risk because you're not investing any upfront money. You guys also have the cloud, which is what you're most likely going to be using more to do your research. Wow, so you guys, look at this Book Scout tool right here. So you click this Book Scout, it says only supports KDP products, which is exactly what we're doing. So you guys see this Kindle Direct Publishing, this is what we're going to be using. You guys, I also want to show you this research tool right here. So you click keywords and you go to search. And then you're going to search up your keyword, which in my case is like business journal, just to see like, to get some ideas of keywords I should use. So they also tell you like your competition. Do you have high, low competition? The Google search volume. Wow. So the word business journal has a Google search volume of 22,200 per month, which is quite a bit. The competition is low. So Amazon most trending, Amazon search volume. Okay, so this is literally perfect. Bookkeeping journal for small business. Ooh. And this is the search volume. This is really good. So basically these are helping you to know what keywords to use when you're listing this on your Amazon KDP. So now that we're done with our research, we have some good insight, we know what's selling, we know how much things are going for, we're gonna go ahead and learn how to create our book. So we're gonna go to the BookBoat Studio. And we're going to start with the book cover first, because guys, what's really going to sell your book is the cover. I mean, look, we always say don't judge a book by its cover, but people are often judging books by the cover, and I'm one of those people who do that. So in this case, we need to make the cover really, really nice. We need to make the cover so nice that people want to open it up and see what's inside of it. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, we have the front cover of the book and we have the back cover of the book. This is where the barcode's going to be, just to give you an idea, like, so you make sure that like you don't put anything important like right there. And we're gonna try to stay within these lines right here. Let's first explore some options that you guys have to use on your book covers. So you guys have different shapes to use, and I find that minimalistic book covers do really great. So you guys can add text, add a heading. Okay, this looks like it's something that, so look, Pixabay, these are free pictures for you guys to use on your book. So you guys don't get copyrighted basically. If your book starts to do amazing and you use like a photo of somebody else took or something and then they copyright you, so use Pixabay just so you don't have any copyright issues. They have plenty of options. Let's see this one right here and see how it is. So firstly, I really like this. I like how this one is. It looks really cool. The only thing I don't really like is that little thing right there, but we can see if we can like cover this up with something else. Okay guys, so I think it looks really good right now. So we're just gonna leave the back of the book just like this. The front should say Business Goal Planner, Financial Freedom is Calling. So step number 3 is to design the inside of the book. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead to the pages, guys. This is page 1 of the book. So we're done with the cover. I feel like the cover looks so catchy, unique, does not look like anybody else's on there. So let's go to the first page, and guys, look at this. They literally have so many templates that you can choose from. Interior templates library. So you guys have so many options depending on like what kind of book you want to have. And let's see. Okay guys, so I basically just made every single page just like this one is basically the same. So this first one, now I'm gonna add the text of putting like vision board. This is literally perfect. So basically you can just add pictures of goals that you have for your business on this page. This will be like your little vision board. And the rest of the pages can be like planning for it. And while this is not perfect, there's so many things that you guys can do. And we are going to go ahead and save our book. It's pretty simple, but it's effective. So now we're going to go ahead and list this on Amazon KDP. So we're going to go ahead and press download current project CMYK printed books. If you guys download it that way, it's going to split the interior and the cover of the book into different files, which we're going to need later. So it's preparing the pages. But while we're waiting for that, let's go ahead and join Amazon KDP. So now we're in the Kindle Direct Publishing software. So now it says create, manage, and publish. So guys, so this is where you are going to add your book. Let's do create hardcover. So I'm literally just gonna title this book Business Goal Planner. So series is optional, edition number is optional, For author guys, this is where you come in because you are the author. So we're gonna use this description right here. Go to publishing rights. So I own the copyright and I hold necessary publishing right. Yes. Primary audience. No, we do not have any crazy images going on or a title. Primary marketplace, definitely Amazon. Categories, low content, book. Journals, notebooks, planners, yes. And as far as category, let's do business and money. Subcategory, we're gonna do, let's see, women in business. Perfect. Okay, so now save categories. So we can add some keywords in here if you want to. It's totally optional if you want, but it's good to add some keywords though. Business, goals, yeah. Publication date, okay, yes. Release date, release for my book for sale now. You guys, this is such an easy process. Like, I really thought this was going to be difficult, but like, look how easy this is. So now let's look at print options. So we're going to choose black and white interior with white paper. We're going to do 8 by 11. We're going to choose no bleed. Cover finish, let's do glossy. Matte is cute though. Let's do matte. Okay, so for manuscript, this is where we're gonna get the interior of the book, and then as you guys can see, the book cover. So this is why we needed those two separate files. So now you're gonna pull them out. So next we have the hardcover rights and pricing. So territories, yeah, we'll do worldwide, primary marketplace, Amazon, pricing, royalties, and distribution. Let's list ours for $18. So basically, I'm going to make $4 per sale. The rate is 60%. I think this is because I selected hardcover. I don't know. But let's just continue with this. Because this is passive income, you guys are not like spending any money on this. Basically, it's print on demand. So you've already made the design and they will ship it straight to the customer. You guys don't have to worry about anything. Like, that's literally what passive income is. And after you guys choose what price you want, you are literally done. It is ready to be published. So the beauty of selling a book this way is that Amazon will basically only print the book if somebody orders it. So this is a very low risk way for you guys to make passive income. And if you guys are ready to start your own passive income journey, use the code Reinventing Glamour on the screen. You guys will get 20% off on any plan for the lifetime of your subscription. And I say anybody can do this really. You just have to be a creative person, have some creative ideas. If you guys actually sit down, spend the time to be creative, think of something unique, your book will do amazing. Like, think about it. A lot of people that are actually selling on there right now, it's just kind of like basic things. Even what I showed you guys was very basic because obviously like I don't have the time to spend on hours on actually sitting down creating a product. But like, if you guys have that time, take the time and really be creative with it. And I feel like you guys will do amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you leave a thumbs up and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.